Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be designing a 3-unit temporary bridge using Exocad. Temporary restorations play a crucial role in dentistry, providing both function and aesthetics, while the patient waits for their final prosthesis. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire design process, from importing the scan to finalizing the structure, ensuring a perfect fit for the patient. Let's get started. First, we begin by importing the intraoral scan into Exocad. This scan provides us with essential information about the patient's oral structure, occlusion, and soft tissue. Once the data is loaded, we align the models properly and define the area where the temporary bridge will be placed. In this case, we are working on a 3-unit bridge, which means it will cover 2 missing teeth and be supported by adjacent abutments. Now, let's move on to the actual design process. First, we select a suitable tooth library to ensure a natural and aesthetic look. Exocad offers various libraries that provide different anatomical shapes. For this case, I'll be using a morphology that closely resembles the patient's original dentition. Next, we define the pontic type. Since this is a temporary restoration, we want to ensure good gingival adaptation while maintaining a natural emergence profile. Now, we refine the contact points and adjust the occlusion to prevent any excessive pressure on the opposing teeth. Proper occlusal adjustment is essential to avoid discomfort and premature wear. After fine-tuning the shape, we check the marginal adaptation to ensure the temporary bridge fits precisely without any open margins or overhangs. Once the design is complete, we perform a final quality check. We verify the following: proper proximal contacts for stability, adequate occlusal clearance to prevent premature contact, aesthetic contours that mimic natural dentition. After ensuring everything is perfect, we export the design for milling or 3D printing. Temporary bridges are often fabricated from PMMA, Polymethyl Methacrylate, which provides good strength and aesthetics for short-term use. And there you have it. A fully designed 3-unit temporary bridge using Exocad. These restorations are essential for maintaining function and appearance while waiting for the final prosthetic work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more digital dentistry content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific design you'd like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.